Railway Station Press proudly presents the Postal Writers Dapper Notes notebooks, a tribute to Hokusai's iconic woodblock print number 13 from the 36 Views of Mount Fuji series. These notebooks capture the essence of the 1830s, featuring 3 horsemen riding along a dike over the Sumida River. Each notebook is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and timeless artistry. The Postal Writers notebooks are available in 2 sizes. Each notebook is made entirely by hand with a fabric and bookcloth cover and decorative washi end sheets. Every step of the process, from selecting the finest materials to sewing with waxed thread and packing in a handmade box, is done with precision and dedication. Included with each notebook is a stamped card featuring a 1966 Japanese stamp of Hokusai's print and a 1960 US Pony Express stamp. This limited edition card beautifully ties together the history of postal writers in Japan and the United States. Backers can choose from several tiers, including the 75 level that offers a large postal writer's notebook, the stamp card, and a copy of the Hokusai book. Other tiers range from 25 for the small notebook and stamp card to 125 for a bundle of all things Hokusai items. Supporting this project means supporting the continuation of the handmade arts. Celebrate the art of Hokusai and the history of postal writers. Join us on Kickstarter and bring the Postal Writers notebooks to life. Thank you.